The UNINGOPI 2-in-1 teeth kit ingeniously combines a water flosser and an electric toothbrush, making it a versatile choice for comprehensive oral care. Its innovative brush head design allows simultaneous water spraying and brushing, ensuring thorough cleaning of teeth and gums by reaching hidden food debris. This compact device is designed for convenience with a mini size that fits easily into any pocket and a stainless steel water pipe that ensures durability and prevents mold. With a robust lithium battery, the kit offers an impressive battery life of up to 25 days on a full charge, and its USB-C charging port makes it ideal for travel. The water flosser features 3 cleaning modes, catering to various user needs, and comes with interchangeable brush heads for personalized dental care. The kit includes a range of accessories, such as multiple brush heads, a standard nozzle, and a convenient cleaning brush, enhancing its usability and maintenance.